So here are the ingredients for the eggshell grinder upper. What I first do is put the eggshells into a plastic bag and then get a small plastic mallet and just, crush it up, just smash it up, but it's still not fine enough. You can see that they're more like chips, and it needs to be finer. What I did was to make a grinder using my electric drill. I'll explain that in a minute. And it makes it into powder, and you can see the powder residue on my hand. See the white stuff? That's calcium, and in many places in North America, calcium deficiency in the soil inhibits good plant growth. And so what we do is we seal all eggshells, wash them out, dry them out, and as I said, put them in a plastic bag, crack them up, and then I grind them. And the grinder is simply a piece of this pipe. It's an electrical conduit that's about 2.5 inches. I don't know how many millimeters that is. And then the grinder part is just on a 1/4 inch shaft, and it's a piece of hardwood. That's all it is hard maple. And I put a number of screws that are biased at an angle so that as it turns, it throws the ground up eggshells out. And it's a very loose fit into the, you can see it's a very loose fit into the pipe. And what happens is as it gets ground finer and finer, the ground stuff goes up over the edge of the grinding element right down to the bottom. And I'll show you the next sequence, the thing in actual operation. It's a bit noisy too. Okay, so the trick is to get the sliced up eggshells, the coarsely ground eggshells, into the grinder. And I use this cone made out of paper, and I just dump it into the pipe as best you can. And then you can see them, the shells down at the bottom there. There. And then what I do is I insert my grinding tool . Now when the grinding tool bottoms out, I can feel it in the drill, and then what I'll do is spin it so that the eggshells go past that annular space, and they go back down, and I'll do it a second time to make it finer. So now I have the semi-ground shells at the bottom of the pipe again, so down I go. So now we have a finely ground powder. There we go. And we use that for the garden to restore the mineral balance in the soil.